So today is our fourth online lecture of subject math. Hope you understand all of the previous lectures. If you have any kind of query, you can ask freely. So open your book, page number 12. So what is big? Big किसे कहते हैं? Big mean बड़ा. Big mean बड़ा. Small mean छोटा. In today's lecture we will learn about big and small. So big mean बड़ा, small mean छोटा. उन्होंने हमें क्या बोला है? ईच पेयर में हमने स्मॉल पे ब्लू कलर करना है और बिग पे रेड कलर करना है. सो यू हैव योर कलर्स इन योर हैंड्स. टेक आउट योर कलर्स एंड डू द blue colors in the smallest pictures and red color in the bigger ones. So on page number 13 they have asked us to write the smaller and bigger on the objects. So yes, one is solved for us. Next, part B. So which one is small and which one is big? You guys have to tell me. Is this small? No. This one is bigger. This one is bigger and this one is smaller. Next, this one is smaller and this one is bigger. Very good. Then this is big. Very good. And this one is smaller. Very good. Clap for yourself. Then you have to write short and long. Just like small and big mean chota, bada. Short mean lengthwise small and longer mean lengthwise long. So we have to write short and long on the image, and we have to color blue on the shorter one and red on the longer one. So this one is longer. This one is shorter. Very good. Is this small? I think so. It's short. Is this short? No. This one is longer. This one is shorter. This one is shorter and the next one is longer. Shorter, longer, shorter, longer. Very good. So you have to do the colors you have already in your hands. Okay, now we have page number 15. So in page number 15 we have to draw the longer ones or the shorter ones. Those are missing and we have to color it out and write which one is missing. So I will do one in this whole. I will do one for you. You have to do rest of the part. So here the shortened one is drawn. We have to do the longer one. So how we will draw the longer one? Just like this. Is this longer? Much longer. Very good. So you will do like this the rest of the part. So just like that you have the previous page number 14. You have to solve the page number 16 and color it out. You have to write taller and shorter on the image, under the image. So page number 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16 are in your homework. Hope you understand the lecture. See you in the next lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz.